What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some steak nachos, and you're saying to yourself, Black Hour, steak? What are you, Jeff Bezos, with all them Pecos? Man, you making that big money now, you making steak? Well, this ain't really steak. This is stew meat that I got gifted by my mother-in-law, and I don't know where she met stew, but I got to tell you, buddy, it's going to be damn good tonight. Now, thing about it is, I've made nachos a long time. We've all had nachos. You may have got them at the basketball game. You may have got them at the movie theater. You may have just made them at the house when you was sitting there watching Scared Stupid with Ernest. Now, we're going to make them today. We're going to make them a little bit of a different way, but not much, because the only thing we really changed enough from what I usually do is we're using this steak bite, if you will. Now, speaking of which, got to get started with this big bad beef daddy-o. So, take that stuff. I went ahead and kind of thinned mine out a little bit, because I don't want to be sitting there chawing on something looking like Mr. Ed. I want some good in there, so I kind of thinned mine out a little bit. I took my skillet, I got it hot to try, put just a touch of butter in there. I can't believe it's not butter. And I put it in there. It was butter. And so I believe I put that in there so it don't stick to the damn bottom, because you don't want to burn the bottom of that stuff. So put your meat in there, and we're going to go ahead and season it up. Now I used just a little bit of salt, a little black pepper, some cumin, a little bit of paprika, and some garlic powder. Basically just making a poor man taco seasoning packet, because I ain't buying that packet from the damn store. So once you get your meat starting to look good, let's go ahead and get the cheese, because to me, nacho ain't nacho without no nacho cheese, but it's going to be Oliver cheese tonight. Now, go ahead and, who's Oliver? Now, go ahead and get your cheese. Today, I ain't getting no damn Velveeta. I ain't getting no money for no Velveeta. Have you seen the price of Velveeta? You almost have to loan your card to somebody and make them give you 20 bucks. So, I went ahead and got this melt and dip. It's the same shit. Cut it up, put it in there, and we're going to top it with the store brand Rotel, if you will. Now, they got the spicy, they got the mild, I got the medium because I like it good. So, go ahead and melt that in the microwave. I put mine in there, 6 minutes or so, just kind of stir and check, but don't scald there, mister. So, once you get your cheese melted, we're ready to assemble. And you're saying to yourself, like, how about some scallions on there? Maybe a little fresh jalapeno. Couldn't you have cut up some lettuce, or maybe make kind of more of a healthy dish, a taco salad? Well, you know me, buddy. I get time for that shit. Meat and cheese is the way to go. That's how we're going to do it better. So, get your chips. We just got some old tortilla chips. Put them down on the plate. Now, put the cheese on there, buddy. The cheese, because it ain't no nacho if you don't get the cheese. You know what I'm talking about, you big dummy. Now, put the meat on top too. And let's go ahead and put just a little bit of, just like a dollop of damn sour cream on there, along with a little hot salsa, just to give it a little more kick for me. Now we've got that all done, I think we're ready to have a big sight and a big, beautiful bite of these nachos tonight. What do you think, mister? Alright, buddy, the time has come. The steak nacho is done, and I'm having that first bite by myself. And I'll tell you what, I've been waiting long enough for you to get in here so I can have it. So, damn, hurry up, mister. Yeah, so we make it hum. So, that cheese, man, that's just an old classic thing that everybody knows how to make. Rotel dip, they call it. And nacho cheese, good stuff. And the way that we did that, cutting it thin, really does help. It's more like a, I don't know, like a steak taco type deal, instead of just like you're cutting the damn ribeye. So, delicious. Sour cream, always good. We'll just also make it hot. And I will be honest with myself, even though I said I didn't have time, you got some time, put a little scallion or something on there, get a little extra texture, but damn good to me. So I want to thank you, damn good people, for stopping by another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Make sure to like and subscribe, and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on the YouTube channel. And you can join me on Patreon for exclusive content, and basically watching me how to figure out what the hell to do on Patreon. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some more nachos to deal with here. And I'm going to deal with them too. So, I'll see you next time. Enjoy the nachos, buddy.